Hello, I'm gonna tell you one trick that allow you to upload data to the web forms on Oracle EBS Suite ERP system. I had a task. The task was I have to upload big amount of work orders in enterprise asset management model, and for every work order I have to attach some attachment. Actually, it will be used for some testing report that aggregate information from big amount of work orders and print this work order, this attachment. So I used Python for it. Okay. This is a script that I wrote on Python 3.7. I use Selenium. WebDriver for Chrome, and open PyXL library for Excel operating Excel files, and .env library for storing security parameters. So let's see what we have in this script. First of all, I loaded 4 parameter path to my environment, username, password, and file. What is our file? Let's see. Our file. Okay. Our file is an attachment that I should link to my work order. So this is usual initialization for this Chrome driver. First parameter for my program is for my script is file name, Excel file name that contained some parameter for creating some attributes for creating work orders. So asset number, asset group. This is minimal parameter actually for creating work orders in this case. Asset numbers, asset group, work order type, department description, and this column will be populated after creating work order. Will be populated work order number. So okay, and this is initialization. I get parameter from my env file and initialize web driver, get Excel file name, create new Excel file name with updated postfix. It will be populated work order, newly created work order numbers, and then create WebDriver wait. Yeah, this is a tricky moment. You have to create. You have to load very first web page, login web page, and then wait until title is loaded, fully loaded. This is a wonderful thing against, say, data loader or other thing. It will be really waiting until your page will be loaded properly. So in my case, we wait until title is loading, and then select find element by ID. This is standard standard method for driver. Uh, find element by ID as lang. Let's see how I can get it. So this is a login page. I click discover. I think in English it will be discover, and then inspector, and I have to change change language to English, and I have to find this field. And as you see, this is a tag select this ID as lang, and I just find element by ID as lang, and then I select new value by its value. Let's see how I obtain it. There is options, and by default it was Russian, but I have to change it to English and to US. Sorry, and this is value for English is US, and here I specified US value. So, and as in this case, later I find elements username, password, and send keys to these elements, send my variable values that I already got from environment file. Then I find login button and click on it. Then the program will waiting until let me show you. Until this element maintenance super user responsibility link will be appear, and we'll be waiting and then click on it. Let's click on it. Oops. Okay, maintenance home page showed, and and then we click on this menu. Okay, we already click on it, and this is a loop. This is a procedure, or this is a method function that create one work order for one work order. So this is a loop. We will open Excel file, in our case this Excel file, and repeat 3 lines and create 3 work orders. And for every work order we will pass value from this file. This is asset number, asset group, work order type, department, and department description. And then we will populate all these values to the to our form. Okay. I don't remember what this block means. Okay, I see. It's a tricky thing, actually. Let me show you. When you hit to create work order here, by default, this region, this block on this status, like not expanded. But you have to expand it to add okay, actually I'm wrong. Let me show you. First of all, you have to create work order. You have to create work order and hit apply button, save and apply. Then for adding attachment, you have to enter to this work order in like view only mode, like this. And then oh, maybe I'm wrong. Let's see what's happened in our script. Okay. Asset group, work order type, department, tab, save. Okay, okay, and after we will save our work order, we have to see if this region, let me show you again, if this region, create work order, additional details, if this region is open or not. At first time, when we enter this form at first time, our region is hidden, and you're gonna show it by clicking on this link. But if we create one work order, next time when we enter with this form, it will be expanded, and you don't need to click on this button, on this link. If you click it again, it will be hidden, and you can't attach any attachment at all. So in this case, you have to analyze if these elements showed or not. Yeah, that's it. And then you click on, you find the attachment button, and then click on it, and then send keys to the path of your file that you have to attach to this work order, and then hit apply, find apply button, hit apply, and then OK, and then at least you hit apply button on the work order itself, and that's all. Yeah. And the return work order number, and then work order number, yeah, R5 value, and save new Excel file name. Yep. Okay, that's it. Let me show you how it works. Okay. Our Selenium Chrome driver is loaded. Login page is loaded. It's waiting until it's loaded, fully loaded. Right now I have very poor connection to the internet, so it's okay. timeout exception actually. I have to. Okay, I find it. So this is a set page load timeout. Okay, for example, let's see. Driver 30 seconds. I don't know. Okay, maybe 30 seconds. Okay, let's see how it works on 30 seconds. Okay, legend page loaded. Okay. Still loading. Okay, cool. Create work order. Navigate to maintenance homepage. Navigate work order page. Pressing create work order button. Select asset number, asset group, department description. Waiting for clicking save button. Saved. Okay, created. Show additional details. Select file. Select file path. Attachment type file. File path. Hit apply. Okay, and save. Yeah, successfully created. Work order number 2. Magic. Actually, if you have better internet connection, it will be faster. But anyway, it will be faster than manually. From my experience, it's broke, say 17 or 18, 80 work orders. After 80 work orders, you have to take care about it from time to time. What's going on? OK button didn't press. I suspect it's yeah, that's it. That's all. Timeout. Yeah, 30 seconds. Okay. Yeah, but it works. You can set larger timeout if you want. Anyway, it's work. I will share this project on GitHub if you want. So let me know if you're interested. Thank you very much. Bye.